Maggie here, and welcome to our March product updates. Last month was a lot, in the best way possible. We've been building hard, and I cannot wait to show you what's new. And quick heads up, this isn't everything we shipped in March, but you can see the rest inside of our blog article. Last month, we shipped 5 new integrations. J4, Google Ads, Google Search Console, and PostHog bring your marketing data right into Juma. And Webflow connects your CMS so your team can create and publish content from the same place. Let's start with J4. The reason this one matters is simple. How many times a day do you switch to another tab just to check something in analytics? Now you don't have to. You can ask Juma directly, pull real data, optimize, do reporting, and keep working without breaking your flow. Watch this. I am prompting the AI. I am telling it to connect to Juma's GA4 account. And I'm asking it what were our top 5 pages by sessions in the last 30 days. Juma connected with our GA4 account. And our top pages are homepage, pricing, blog, and use cases. Some of the numbers are blurred, but just go to Juma and test it out. And next is Google Ads. This one is great for anyone running paid campaigns. Instead of going into ads, pulling a report, downloading it, and then coming back to Juma to analyze it, you can go straight from the data to writing a new copy, all in the same chat inside the Juma app. And this is my prompt: pull Google Ads performance data for Juma for the last 3 months. Show me top campaigns by clicks and CTR. Blur the numbers once again, which I'm so sorry about, but still you can see our top campaigns by clicks for the past 3 months. Now I can just go and say which campaigns should we pause. Okay. Now Juma gives me some advice on top of my questions. So this is super helpful because you can basically take all of your data, you can optimize your ads, you can come up with new copy or new visuals based on what's performing or what's not, and also prepare a new strategy. Next one is Google Search Console. I don't think that I should be persuading you and why this is so important, but for me it is a game changer because now I can connect our blog, our website to Juma. I can get all the data I need, the pages that are ranking the best. I can also ask the AI about the keywords that we are ranking for and then further optimize the future articles I'm preparing for our website. I can also see where which pages have some errors, like end up in 404s and so on. There's like numerous of things that you can do. Let me now prompt Juma. I'm asking it to connect to Google Search Console for Juma AI, and I'm asking it to give me our top 5 ranking pages for the last 30 days. Okay, so these are our homepage, our AI text humanizer, and some other articles that are in our blog. From here on, I can also ask for the queries that we're ranking the most for and basically build a full content strategy, blog strategy for our website. Next one is PostHog. PostHog is one for the growth side of the team. If you're working on onboarding, retention, or product-led campaigns, being able to pull behavioral data and immediately use it to write better emails or landing pages is a big deal. This is my prompt. For PostHog, I'm asking the AI to go to PostHog and pull up the free to paid conversion funnel insights. Here is the data that the AI gave me. We have the numbers as well as few things that stand out from the data. From here on, I can ask the AI to further analyze the data that we have. I can ask it to give me more data from different stuff that we have reported on in PostHog, or I can just draw some conclusions and ask the AI to give me suggestions on how to optimize all of these stages in our conversion funnel. Last integration that I want to show you today is Webflow. This one isn't just about pulling data. It actually connects with your website, with your CMS, so that you can draft content in Juma and then directly send it to your website. I'm going to prompt the AI to write a short article on a random topic. Then I'm also going to instruct the AI to directly upload this article in our Juma Webflow CMS. Juma has done a plan on how to do this task with a couple of different steps, and I'm going to approve running the plan. Juma is done, and that's pretty impressive. We have the article title, all of the meta titles, description, post summary, and so on details over here. And then we have a link that takes us to the CMS. This is the new article over here. We have all the fields filled in, and we have the actual content inside. I don't know what you think about it, but I think it's very helpful for me and for content teams. That's a full publishing workflow in one place. After I showed you so many integrations, I would just like to remind you where to access them from. You can click on that button over here below the chat input field and turn off and on your integrations, or you can click on your profile, integrations, and connect and disconnect the integrations that you would like to use. Last but not least, I would like to show you something that's very exciting for us. We introduced our own Juma model, the Juma Agent. When you give it a task, it understands the goal, breaks the work into steps, and automatically selects the best models and tools for each part, whether that's strategy, research, writing, image creation, or analysis. It keeps context across the entire workflow and delivers one clean and ready-to-use output. The Juma Agent is optimized specifically for marketing and growth use cases, campaigns, content, positioning, research, and experimentation. It's built to think like a marketer and act like a marketer. And that's it for this month's video. 5 new integrations and the Juma Agent. If you want the full list of updates, the blog article is in the description of this video. Tell us, what do you think about the new updates? Thank you so much for watching, and see you soon.